MotorBike Adventures with Dad and Son. We're just heading up from Windermere now and heading up towards Kirkstone Pass. Unfortunately, there's a little bit of mist kicking about, so we're not going to get the dramatic views that we normally would, but it's not bad, is it? And this is the first time he's been on any roads like this, so he's just taking his time. God almighty, the bloody hole in the road there. I've been teaching him his road positioning today as he winds his way along the roads, and he's not doing so bad. Now he's going to get a little bit of a surprise, because the other side of Kirkstone Pass, the road becomes very steep. That's not a bad backdrop for a memory-making piece of footage, is it, eh? And he's done very well. Coming down the side of Kirkstone towards Ullswater, did very well indeed. Some good road positioning. And there's two police. The sun is shining, the sky is blue. Adventures with my son. I can't think of anything better in my world. I really can't. These moments are they're just bloody special. When we come up to the start of Ullswater. Looking as splendid as ever. Now get that, eh? Whoa, whoa. And now I'm going to take him to the edge of Ullswater. Where hopefully we should be able to get a shot of the bike a bit later on. Looking as splendid as ever. What do you reckon to that side, son?
Want to move?
You want to move and live here, just right here, right now.